How can ChatGPT help debug your coding projects? Have you ever found yourself stuck on a coding project, unsure of how to fix a pesky bug? If so, you are not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and that is where ChatGPT comes in. This tool can be a game changer when it comes to debugging your code. ChatGPT assists in debugging by analyzing your code to find errors. It can identify common mistakes like missing brackets, incorrect function calls, or invalid variable assignments. When you share your code snippets, ChatGPT can highlight these issues and suggest corrections. This can save you time and help you resolve errors more efficiently. But it does not stop there. ChatGPT can help you dig deeper into the root cause of bugs. It does this by asking clarifying questions about the problem you are facing, the error messages you see, and what you expect your code to do. This interactive approach can guide you in narrowing down which part of your code is causing the trouble. If you are struggling to reproduce a problem, ChatGPT can suggest test cases or debugging techniques to help you see the issue consistently. This can be especially helpful when you are trying to figure out why something is not working as intended. Understanding your code is another area where ChatGPT shines. It can explain the structure and logic of your code, which is particularly useful if you are working with unfamiliar code or complex logic. It can also recommend debugging tools and methods, such as using print statements or breakpoints, to further investigate issues. Moreover, ChatGPT can suggest ways to improve your code. It can identify performance bottlenecks and propose more efficient implementations. This means that it is not just a tool for fixing errors but also for enhancing the overall quality of your code. Using ChatGPT for debugging can also be a learning experience. As you interact with it, you may come across new programming concepts, techniques, or library functions. However, it is essential to critically evaluate its suggestions. ChatGPT relies on the information you provide and may not always produce perfect solutions. Ultimately, you, as the developer, are responsible for verifying and applying the fixes. To get the best debugging help from ChatGPT, provide clear and detailed information about your code, the errors you encounter, and what you expect the code to achieve. This will enable ChatGPT to offer more accurate and relevant guidance, making your debugging process smoother and more educational.